What are the 3 things you have to make sure that you do after you get accepted into nursing school? Let's talk about it. So congratulations, my friend, you have been accepted into nursing school. That is a huge accomplishment. I hope that first off, you take time to celebrate. Take a break, take a deep breath. You made it. You are now accepted into nursing school. That is a huge accomplishment. So make sure that you remember this feeling that you have right now of the excitement of starting nursing school and how big of a blessing that is from God that happened. So I am so excited for you that you get to start nursing school now. Congratulations. Now, the first thing that you absolutely need to make sure that you do before you start your program is understand dose calc or med math. It's a huge deal, and I cannot overstate this. So often we have nursing students come to us, DMing me, emailing, and just saying, Christina, I had no idea how big of a deal dose calc or med math was in nursing school. So here's the thing, my friend. When you get accepted into nursing school and you start nursing school, within the first 2 weeks of your program, you will have a dose calc exam. So this is a math test, basically. And what it does is you're going to calculate medication doses, just like you will do as a nurse on the floor. Dose calc is a huge deal, not only in nursing school, but also as a nurse. So within the first 2 weeks of your nursing program, you will have a dose calc exam. Now here's the kicker, and the thing that really everyone freaks out about is that oftentimes you have to get 100% on this exam in order to stay in your program. Shocker. I know, but here's the thing. Your nursing school is no different than any other nursing school. This is a standard across nursing schools. You have to pass this exam in order to stay in your program. Now, some nursing schools allow you to miss maybe 1 or 2 questions, so you could get maybe a 90% or a 95% and still pass, but that is not always the case. A lot of schools do require you to get 100%. So make sure that you are starting to study dose calc as early as possible after you get accepted so that you're really not waiting till the last minute, because trust me, you do not want to wait till the last minute to learn dose calc. You want to get the practice in early so that you can start out really with the right foot forward and really set yourself up for success when you start. You don't want to start nursing school already feeling behind. That is absolutely not what you want. Now, to help you out with this, I have this free dose calc cheat sheet that's going to walk you through how to get every single dose calc question right every time. We have a very defined step-by-step process for how to ace the dose calc exam. It's going to be so helpful for you as you study for dose calc and as you go take that exam. Follow that 6-step process and you will pass. So I'll put the link to that cheat sheet down below in the description for you to snag it. Now, the second thing that you absolutely need to start doing now when you get accepted into nursing school is starting to get a time management plan down and just trying to get your life in order, really. So make sure that you know how your life kind of functions. How do you like to plan meals? Who does the dishes? Who does the laundry? Like, make sure that you're having these conversations with everyone in your family or with everyone in your world, like your roommate or whoever, to make sure that everyone's on the same page. Because here's the thing about nursing school. It's a time suck. Really, when it comes down to it. It will take a lot of time away from you from other things. So you will be spending so much time studying or going to class or going to clinical, and that's time that you're not now able to spend meal prepping or cooking dinner or doing laundry or the dishes. That's really what happens. But nursing school is a season. It's not going to last forever, so keep that in mind. But in order to prepare the best that we can, to focus your time during the season really on nursing school, you do want to make sure that everything else is kind of in order and taken care of as much as possible. So take some time getting your life in order, setting those expectations with your family, having difficult conversations with your spouse or your roommate or whoever is in your family to decide, okay, who's going to do the laundry, who's going to do the dishes, who's going to do what, so that you can really focus much more of your time on nursing school. Now, inside the NursingSOS membership community, we have a step-by-step time management plan for you. We call it your nursing life map. So when you get inside the community, make sure you click on step number 2, which is where we walk you through how to create a time management plan for nursing school. It's gonna help you so much to just get your daily schedule in order and your weekly schedule in order so you know what you're doing and kind of what your life looks like. And it gives you a lot of great structure. This really is the best way to do it. When you get accepted into nursing school, when you start nursing school, it is very difficult to just fly by the seat of your pants and just try to get it all done. The thing is that the more you have to do, the more you really should be planning your time and making sure that you're spending your time well. It's very important. So that's why we talk about it so much inside the community. We want to help you come up with that time management plan. We walk you through exactly how to do it. And once you complete that module, you will come away with a printable time management plan for you to use as you go through your program. So that's all inside the NursingSOS membership community for you. Now, the third thing you absolutely need to do when you get accepted is to start developing really good, healthy habits now, like yesterday. So make sure that you are eating well, that you are getting enough sleep, that you're drinking a lot of water, that you're exercising. The thing about nursing school is it moves so fast. You learn so much in such a short amount of time. It kind of has this ability to consume your life. And if your life is a little out of control when you start, it will just unravel more and more as you go through nursing school. So the goal is we want to make sure that your life is in order as much as possible, that you have those healthy habits in place, that you actually, have this time management plan down before you start nursing school so that you are really set up for success. Because we do not want things to snowball. If you have unhealthy habits now, you do not want that to snowball as you go through school, and it will. So make sure that you catch those things now and you start changing them now so that you can really kickstart your success off well when you start your program. So make sure that you're getting enough sleep, make sure you're getting exercise, make sure you're eating well and you're drinking a lot of water, make sure you're reading your Bible, make sure that you are doing all these healthy habits in order to keep your body and your mind and your spiritual life really as optimized as possible so that when you start nursing school, you are really in a good place to handle it. Now, when you start nursing school, there are a few key things that you absolutely have to make sure you're focusing on. So in this video here, I'm going to give you my top study tips to help you start the term off strong. And I'd love it if you post it in the comments and let me know, when are you starting nursing school? Are you starting nursing school in a week or a couple of months? Tell me. I would love to celebrate with you and go become the nurse that God created only you to be. And I will see you over there in that next video.